narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water glass. See yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali.
Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's a Khomotso Treasure and I'm back again with another vloggedy vlog. Don't period, okay? If you're new, please subscribe, would absolutely appreciate you, and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post. For my returning subscribers, you know what it do, baby. I appreciate your support so much, love. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. You know I absolutely appreciate you, okay? So as you can see, I'm back at my place. I just came back. I was with my parents and my siblings. They just accompanied me. I'm always sweating in this room because it is a hot, child. It's basically an oven, and every time I have to talk to you guys, I have to switch off the fan. So that's what happened right now, but that's besides the point. We just passed by Mall of the North and I just ran some errands, bought some groceries. So right now I want to go ahead and pack the groceries and clean this room because, child, you know what happens when you leave a room for like 2 weeks. I've been gone for 2 weeks, so definitely needs to be cleaned. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just wanted to introduce the vlog and say hi to you guys. We are back and it's on period, vlog on vlog period, okay? So yeah, let me go ahead and pack my food and just clean up the room, and then I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Yeah.
I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not harder, I might take a sip, I might hit the but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the red game was spraying like this. They act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I a rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my they selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you gain. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thinking you now. Was watching you when you was paving the ground. I copied your cadence, I mirrored your style. I studied the grace, I'm the greatest right now. If you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promos still.
Hi guys, it's a good day in the vlog. I'm getting ready to go out to run a few errands. I want to restore order in my life, like, oh my god. So I'm going to do my nails. Hopefully I get like a slot because they don't take appointments. So I'm just basically gonna walk in and hope that they take me and do my nails, both my mani and pedi. And then I wanna go to the mall and then get a few things from Clicks, and also the things that I forgot to buy from Discount the other day, just to go to Clicks and look around. And also I need to get my hair, so I bought new hair that I'm gonna be reviewing with you guys on the vlog, and I'm also gonna be installing. So I'm gonna go to a professional. Hopefully they take me and install this new hair. Oh my god, I am super excited. Can't wait for you guys to see it, and I also cannot wait to see it. So yeah, let me go right now. I'm just wearing this sweater and also some jeans because it's very gloomy outside. So yeah, and my little sister did my cornrows. So that's basically it. I hope you guys are doing good on this gloomy day. Today is it's a Monday. Yeah, it's a Monday. So yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know.
So I got hair from Lady I Hair and Beauty. Let's do a little unboxing. Oh my god, I am so excited for this hair. I've been wanting this type of hair for so long. So they were kind enough to gift me this beautiful packaged amazing serum. So this is gorgeous, honey. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Absolutely love it. And the way it is on the hair, oh my god, it applies so well and makes the hair so smooth, and I'm so grateful. And this is just some packaging. Absolutely love it. And this is the hair, honey. Oh my god, guys, when I tell you she delivered, Lady I definitely delivered, honey. Treasure Sashibe, enjoy. Thank you, darling. So this is the details. It's Lady I Hair and Beauty. You can find them on Instagram, TikTok. Just check them out. Check their hair. Absolutely amazing. Oh my god, the quality of this hair. What do you even mean, baby? I am screaming. Oh my god, look at that frontal, baby. What? I am so happy with this hair. The quality, the frontal, the unit is just amazing. Oh my god, I cannot wait to rock this. Okay, so I'm gonna be installing this at a different salon, but trust me, oh my god, I cannot wait to see this hair on my head, baby. Let's go ahead and get this installed.
Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside.
I was celebrating, I ain't never died, but I was always focused. I ain't waste no time. I ain't never calling my name. I used to walk to work every day. Me and my dog, and at night I came out alright. All I want is waking up the same way, and I swear ain't never changed. Got a little bit of change in my poop, but I'm maintaining. We were young and in this world, chasing dreams and girls, running from my problems. I know that we older now, but that's what we were. Remember we were young and dumb. Some niggas.
Come on, baby, don't play with it. Baby girl, listen. I am in love. Lady Eye Hair and Beauty delivered for your girl. And that's on period. Look at this bob. I've never been this happy for any type of hair ever. Like, I am so happy, it's ridiculous. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my you know that TikTok and that little girl. Oh my god, you guys, let me give you guys a close look. So I went and got the hair installed yesterday at Shongani Hair Stylist here in Guyana. But baby girl, the hair is doing the thing. So let me give you guys a close look of the hair. I mean, my god, please do check them out, because what do you even mean? This is a 10-inch bob, baby. Oh my god, it complements my skin so good. I'm screaming. You guys saw the clips, right? Ah, I am so happy. So I am running late for work. As you can see, I'm all dressed. I did my lashes yesterday, so this is a hybrid set. It's the length is 11 and 13, so this is how it looks. I love this one better than the other one that I did. That I think that was like 14, so the size was a little bit longer for me because I wear spectacles. So this is good. Okay, so yeah, and of course I did my nails. Love the French tips, and she did them so well. I also got like gel toes, so your girl is looking proper for work, period. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is the top that I showed you guys in the previous thingy. It's too bright. Yeah, this is it. The previous vlog. It's a Shein top. I told you guys they look good on, right? So it's giving oversized, it's giving cute. And also these pants are also from Shein. They're looking also very cute. It's giving an oversized baggy. And I'm also gonna be carrying this bag, and of course this my bottle. And yeah, that'll be it. I'm getting ready to go to work right now. I just wanted to show you guys the bob, period, the bob. Guys, I am literally so late for work, but fashionably, gorgeously late for work. Okay, I'll see you guys when I come back. Google my name, baby. Oh my god. Have you guys caught up? So, as you guys can see, we have a new addition to my room. So I just finished taking a shower. I'm doing my skincare, and I absolutely love what happens to my skin every time I use like an exfoliating scrub. So I use the one by Khomotso Treasure, and it's so good. So today I used it and I absolutely love it. It does the trick all the time. So yeah guys, I have a new TV. I absolutely love it. Got it from Game, and I'm in love. I hope you guys can hear me. And then some eye cream. I ran out of my toner, which I'm gonna be placing an order right now from Herbalife, because there's no way I am not toning my face. It's like a second cleanse. I absolutely love it. You guys know skincare is so important to me, and I only use the best, baby, okay? Herbalife being my number one. and then Garnier would be number 2 so far. But yeah, I love them. Glass skin, baby, that's what we're going for this year, period. So this is an eye cream, also from Herbalife. It really helps me with my dark under eyes. They used to be very dark. Those that know me from back in the day know that my eyes look so much better now. It's hot. And then I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, which is a gel. I apply my gel moisturizer. I feel like this this works for me more than like the cream moisturizer, so I apply this instead of the cream. I feel like this works for me more because I have like pretty much oily skin, so this helps with that a little bit. So I love it. And of course it's infused with aloe, which is very good for the skin. So yeah, I love it. So let me show you guys what I got from Clicks yesterday. I just got my regular spritzer. So this time I got the Pretty in Plum scent. Smells so fruity and so nice. I absolutely love it. With this, I don't even apply perfume at night. I just apply this and it smells absolutely amazing. And then I just got 3 things that I'm gonna be trying for the first time, and I wanted to tell you guys about them. If they work for me, then I'll definitely let you guys know. So I went for the fruit range because cracked heels, no. I want my heels to be as smooth as a baby's bum. Okay, I want my feet to be very smooth, because if they're not smooth, when my feet are dry, I can't even fall asleep. I need to like moisturize them. So I decided to go for this. This was on special. So this is the Dr. Soul Advanced Food Care. So it was buy 3 for 2 basically. This is the first one. It's the overnight repair treatment with 50% skin softening ingredients with tea tree hygiene. So this is how it looks. And then somebody plugged me with this. One of you guys plugged me with this. You guys know I love plugging you, so when you also plug me, it means so much to me. So she was like, you know what, girl, they're on special at Clicks, go and check them out. So yeah, this is how it looks. And then let's smell it. The smell is not bad. Actually smells like soap. I'm gonna apply it tonight. And then the second one is this. So this is the 24-hour food cream. So I apply this, I think, when I'm going to like work and stuff. So this is for during the day. It's like 24 hours moisture with tea tree hygiene also. And then this is the last one. I am very excited for this one because it's the 3-in-1 post-exercise cooling spray. So it helps to deodorize, instant refresh, and protect tired feet. So I'm gonna be using this after gym and also after work. I'm very excited for this one. So yeah, that's basically what I got from Clicks. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna be trying these products and I'll let you guys know how they are treating your girl. But I am very happy with like everything. My TV is here. I'm able to watch myself, period. And I've just stepped into my soft girl era. I feel like I am finally officially in my soft girl era, and I love that for myself. Okay, so yeah, right now I'm just gonna finish getting ready. I'm just gonna moisturize my body, even though I'm sweating, but I'm gonna moisturize. One thing about me, I cannot sleep without moisturizing my body, so I'm gonna moisturize and then just edit this vlog and then sleep. But before we do that, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please like, because the likes definitely go a long way. And also leave a comment down below. You know, I absolutely love chatting with you guys in the comment section. And if you are not yet part of my family, you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. It's absolutely free. You will be getting more content from me, and I would absolutely appreciate it if you would also share my videos and share my channel with your friends and your families. It means the absolute world to me. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.